Howdy crew, I'm back with an update from Lowe's. Let's get to it. At Lowe's is a pretty quick and easy process. They just need tax identification number, or EIN, which is employment identification number. Same difference for the corporation. They need social security number from myself, and getting stuff ready for all that good stuff with their credit card, and got a decent credit limit with them, so that's good. And was also able to buy 2 toolboxes. I'll show pictures of those right here, as well as the chains with the turnbuckles, or the binders, if you want to call them chain binders. I'll show that as well. So those are really good to have. You need to have the welding machine chained down to when we go on a curve or something happens. Don't need it flying out of the truck for any reason. That wouldn't be very good. And then the toolboxes, of course, those aren't cheap, but they're necessary to keep all the tools in, so that's great. And there might be an update with the Chase business card. Might be able to get extra credit because I'm paying everything off right when I'm getting it. And there might be an update, but I have to double check with Chase either later or tomorrow, so we'll keep y'all posted on that, because that might be interesting. It kind of defeats the purpose a little bit of the Lowe's card, but at least with the Lowe's card, it is 5% back or 5% off. Either way you look at it, same difference almost. So 5% off of everything, and that was really good. Really helped save quite a bit, because it was over a $2,000 bill at Lowe's, and 15% back for the first huge purchase was great. 5% here on out. So really happy with that. Going to be taking the blueprint to the fabrication shop and have them look over it, so that way when the welding machine's bolted to the truck, then the tube holders can be bolted down at the same time, because they can't go in after. It's going to be too tight, and folks that are going to be bolting everything down, they said they can't go in last. It's just too tight, and it can't be done. So I will keep you all posted on how that goes, and hopefully that's nice, quick, and easy too. Get plenty done today. So keep y'all posted, and I'll see y'all in the next vlog.